Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use currency formatting in Google Sheets step by step. Currency formatting helps display numbers as money values, making your spreadsheets look cleaner and more professional. So let's get started. First, open Google Sheets and open the spreadsheet you want to edit. Next, select the cells that contain the numbers you want to format as currency. Now go to the top menu and click on Format. From the drop-down menu, hover over Number. Then select Currency. Immediately, Google Sheets will format the selected numbers using your default currency symbol. For example, numbers may appear with a $sign, euro sign, or another currency symbol depending on your region settings. If you want to choose a different currency, go back to Format, then Number, and click on Custom Currency. A list of international currencies will appear. Select the currency you want to use, then click Apply. Your selected cells will now display the new currency format. You can also adjust decimal places using the increase or decrease decimal buttons in the toolbar. This is useful for financial reports, budgets, invoices, and expense tracking spreadsheets. And that's it. You've successfully applied currency formatting in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Google Sheets tutorials and productivity tips. See you in the next one.